Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to walk through Facebook dark mode everything on Android. So in this video, I'm going to show you how can you turn on dark mode on Android device and how can you specifically turn on dark mode on Facebook. So to turn on dark mode on your Android, just go to your settings app. Now just go to display. And here you can see in the display there is a dark mode option. Just click on it, and after clicking it your Android phone will be in dark mode. You can just turn it to light mode by clicking it again. Now if you want to turn on dark mode on Facebook, just launch Facebook, and after that click the top right, the three dash icon, scroll and click on settings and privacy. Click on settings, scroll again, and here you can see there is the option dark mode. Click on it and just turn it on here, and after turning it on you can just turn on dark mode on Facebook. So guys, that's how you can turn on dark mode on Facebook. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.